Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. These everyday moments highlight why every car user needs soap in their vehicle. Tackle messes on the go. Spilled coffee, greasy fast food, or muddy shoes after a hike can leave your car's interior looking worse for wear. Soap, paired with a bottle of water, becomes your instant cleaning solution. A quick scrub can remove sticky residues from your steering wheel or dashboard, keeping your car's surfaces spotless. Unlike wipes that dry out or specialized cleaners that take up space, soap is compact, long-lasting, and versatile, handling everything from upholstery stains to smudged windows with ease. Promote hygiene anywhere. Driving often means eating, drinking, or handling unexpected situations, like a sneeze or a roadside repair. Soap ensures you can clean your hands thoroughly before touching your face or grabbing a bite. This is especially crucial in a world where hygiene matters more than ever. A quick wash with soap and water from a reusable bottle outperforms hand sanitizer, which can leave a sticky residue or fail to tackle heavy grime, keeping you feeling fresh and confident no matter where the road takes you. Save time and money. Car washes and detailing services add up fast, but soap lets you handle minor cleanups yourself. A bar of soap costs pennies and lasts for months, making it a budget-friendly alternative to expensive cleaning products. Plus, its eco-friendly, biodegradable soaps reduce your environmental footprint compared to chemical-laden sprays. By keeping soap handy, you'll avoid last-minute trips to the car wash, saving both time and cash while maintaining your vehicle's appeal. Be prepared for emergencies. Flat tires, outdoor adventures, or unexpected spills demand quick solutions. Soap can help clean tools, wash off grease after roadside fixes, or even serve as a makeshift lubricant for sticky zippers or squeaky hinges. Its compact size makes it easy to store, ensuring you're always ready for life's surprises. Every car user deserves the peace of mind that comes with being prepared, and soap delivers that in spades. Elevate your driving experience. A clean car feels better to drive. Soap empowers you to maintain a pristine interior and exterior, boosting your pride in your vehicle. It's a small addition that makes a big difference, turning your car into a sanctuary of cleanliness and comfort. So, toss a bar of soap in your car today, because every driver deserves a cleaner, fresher ride. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.